Hi, this is Donnie out in Rogue River, Oregon. Up for sale is my 77 F150 short bed with a 400 in it, or at least it should have a 400 in it. I don't know what it is. I haven't verified it. Um, Anyways, 4-speed with AC, not running. Carburetor's off of it. It's been sitting for a bit. Truck has no rust. Can't tell if it's had any accidents or not. It's pretty dang straight. Not perfect, but pretty darn nice. Um, 4-wheel drive. So I'm just going to do a video to walk you through it and see if it's something you're interested in. All right, if you are, reach out. Okay, so this truck is pretty dang complete, pretty darn straight. Has all the chrome on it. Everything's there. It's just a great base to start with. It does have, I believe, a 79 grill on it because the last guy thought it looked better. So there's that. It's in pretty darn good shape. And the more that you see, the more you'll agree. So this window here has been busted, so there's a replacement window sitting there. There's the carburetor sitting there. Ranger XLT, AC, compressors under the hood, 4-speed, aftermarket steering wheel, slider rear window, little handrail there, matching canopy, toss it, keep it, whatever. Alloy wheels, tires have some tread on them. Got that cool retro bumper. The bed is really nice. Man, look at this thing. Freaking sweet. No holes, no rust. Here's air cleaner and some miscellaneous parts. This is the boot for the in between the cab and the canopy. Right. Come on, get in there. So yeah, this isn't working great, but we'll get her closed. There we go. All right. So you can see it's pretty darn straight. Got all the chrome, which is fantastic. So that's busted out there. It's kind of a shame, but it is. Dash pad's got some cracks in it. Windshield's got one thing there. It's got the red visor, red headliner, red cab. Seat needs reupholstered. It's seen better days. Check out this floor. I mean, there's nothing to hide there, is there? It shows 92,000 on it. Who knows what it is? You know how that goes. Realistic CB. Break or any taker. See if I can do this out the window falling. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Show you under the hood. So check out underneath this hood. I mean, just look at that. And it's not, I didn't even clean it. Is that beautiful or what? So here's the power. Nope, didn't clean it. I normally do. Just didn't feel like it. I don't know how to identify whether it's a 400 or not. There's a 21 on that back exhaust pipe there on the block, but I don't know if that means something. She got horn, little storage, overflow. There you have it. Nice and straight. No signs of collision. I highly doubt the battery is any good. Get underneath here. This would be a fun rig to do. I just don't have the space for it. Don't have a shop. Has an auxiliary gas tank right there. Take it out, leave it in, whatever you want to do. I don't know that you're going to get a better base to start from, seriously. There's the filler tank under the wheel well, kind of weird. Spare tire. Just trying to get you all angles so you can check it out. All right, so there she is. Send me a message if you want to know more about it. It'll be cross-marketed a lot of places. All right, thanks for watching.